My friends and I want to make a video about the vibration in washing machine. Washing machine is one of the most important machines in our life. I am sure that every single house has at least one washing machine. So let's go and discover more about washing machine.
Hi guys, before we study about vibration in washing machine, let's study about a bit of vibration. In vibration consists of three important elements. One is mass, second spring, third damper. These three elements can be related into equation of motion.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we have a visit site to the assignment vibration where is repairing washing machine. Repairing for electric application which such as washing machine, television, air conditioner, and so on. Okay, we go in.
So we take this kind of modern washing machine to explore more about the components and the principle of working. Let's go inside the washing machine. If we see this free movement and asking why it has only 2 degrees of motion, but for rotating, for spin, for moving, for washing, all these process the washing machine can do, it has reasons. These reasons are related to different kind of springs which are down there beside the motor of washing machine. Inside the washing machine we have 2 kinds of springs. Spring number 1 is the rear counterbalance spring, which are the bottom of spring. This small one. Other kinds of springs are the suspension springs, which are on the side of the tube. 1, 2, and the other 2 are in the back.
Let's model the component of washing machine as a damper spring diagram. So if we look inside the washing machine, it contains of tap and 2 kinds of spring, suspension spring and counter spring, and the damper at the bottom of the washing machine, also and other things. So if we consider the tap of the washing machine is a mass and contact to the spring and the damper of the washing machine and vibrating in the vertical line in 1 degree of freedom, so we can drive our equation of motion, this one.
In this section, I will explain about stable washing machine and what causes the stabilization. Washing machine contains of 2 types of springs, which are suspension spring and counter spring. But there is also a damper and motor. The mechanism of making the washing machine more stable is when washing machine starts working, the motor rotates and make the tub spins rotationally. But what makes the tub more stable from moving horizontally is the existence of suspension spring in the bottom of the tub. But what is the function of the counter spring? The function of counter spring is located vertically under the tub to stabilize the tub from moving up and down. Also, the function of damper is to observe the vibration of the washing machine.